Susan. Today I'm participating in week 8 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a clipping of a meaningful or mysterious phrase. And I have laughter is the brush that sweeps away the cobwebs of your heart. A bridge. Now I have been tearing up my room trying to find a picture of a bridge. I couldn't. So I'm going with a playing card that you play bridge with. That's the best I could do. Black ink or stamping. I've got that. Something metallic in appearance. I'm going to use the silver also. And something in a circus. And I've got this girl. It's from Collage Soup. And the bonus is italicized text. And I have that. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, I have spent over an hour trying to find a bridge. I have looked through children's books, anything I could kind of get my hands on, and that I thought would fit on this size, and I just couldn't do it. So this is just gonna be what it is. All right, let me get a piece of paper or something to put under that. I didn't think about it before, but just something so I can stamp. There it is. Get some these stars. I'm not even going to cover that paper because I think it'll go fine with what I have. Okay. And now I've got my black stars, and I am going to use the silver and do some silver stars. And add to it. All right. I want to do a little bit more on that left side. All right, there we go. I don't think about using these metallic ink pads very often, and I should. Okay, all right. So now I want to put down. Put this down, something like that. I even thought about bridge of music, but then when I looked up exactly what bridge of the music is. I just didn't have it in me to go looking for it because it's like between. It's not just like a row of music, which I was thinking. It kind of breaks up a chorus. And although I know there's some songs in the hymnals that do that, I couldn't think of a song that did it off the top of my head. So I'm going to put that down. So I'm just going with a play-in card. Play bridge with that. If not, it's a bonus, so it's no biggie. I don't want the collage police to come after me, or the prompt police. Okay, now get that one lined up there. And I trim off the other and clip that off. Hate to cut her feet, but I do love that image. All right, and now, let me see here. I probably shouldn't have put that down. Let's see if I can get it back up here. Till I can get everything down. Let me see here if I can cut that a little closer. Make it a little bit smaller. And that was by Mort Walker. And I have to admit, I don't know who Mort is, but I do like that saying. I thought it was a meaningful quote, and it's kind of mysterious too. Can't laugh. Okay. And I have got a few little tickets here. That. Well, I know I want that there. Oops. Oh, there we go. Under. And my friend Barbie sent me these. These little tickets. All right. And we have our Have a Choice. Take that just across there. And there we go. Now I do want to bring this out. Sorry about that. My phone was full. My storage. It's a good thing I heard it click off. But I don't remember what I was talking about. But I am going to just use my Stabilo All and bring that. Water brush. Water brush is getting stuck there. To bring a little bit of definition to her. And know the shadows don't make sense because there's things that's over her, but it's mostly just to draw attention and make her pop. Okay. And let's see here. I know I have silver and black, but I am going to still do my gold splatters. Oh, and I do want to just do a little bit of a frame around it, a squiggly frame. Now I'm just gonna there we go. I'm just gonna highlight that some. Maybe now let me get my gold splatters. I do hope everybody's doing good. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. I don't know why she doesn't participate, but check out the hashtag 2026CWP8 and you can see those of us who do. All right. Well, let's see if we got everything. We got a clipping of a meaningful or mysterious phrase. Laughter is the brush that sweeps away the cobwebs of your heart. A bridge. I'm using the bridge card. Black ink stamping. I've got that in the background. Something metallic in appearance. I have got my gold splatters and I have got that silver ink in the background. Something in a circus. We've got this girl and we have got italicized text. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, appreciate y'all each and every one. I just can't stress how much you mean to me. I pray for you every day. And I love you. So take care, have a wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all. Thank you.